This video is an overview of how to apply Energy Seal coatings to a metal roof. Please use materials manufactured and approved by Advanced Coating Systems. Follow the steps outlined on the printed product data sheets and application procedures. All mechanical fasteners should be tightened and replaced if necessary. The metal surface needs to be properly prepared for the adhesion of Energy Seal coatings. The roof surface must be cleaned by using a pressure washer with AccuWash. A minimum pressure of 1500 psi must be used to remove all dirt, previous paints and coatings, and other foreign material and residue. A Roto spray tip is recommended to enhance the cleaning process. Finally, thoroughly rinse the surface in order to remove the AccuWash. Please note, HVAC condensation drains must be permanently rerouted to roof drains. Any and all products should be thoroughly mixed before applying to the roof surface. It is recommended that a paddle mixer or a handheld mixer be used to adequately mix the Energy Seal coatings. Deteriorated metal panels must be replaced. Use an airless sprayer with a 5/17 tip at 3000 psi. Metal roof panels should be primed with AccuRust Prime. A steady pace is to be used to ensure proper application and even coverage. All fasteners should be caulked with AccuCaulk. Apply AccuCaulk to all fastener heads with a small paintbrush. All seams must be tight and flush. If a seam has gaps, install screws or rivets to restrict the deflection to no more than 1/4 inch. In this video, AccuTape is being applied to the base of the penetration. Press the AccuTape on the seam and make sure to remove bubbles and creases. The same procedure can also be used around roof terminations and flashing. Horizontal and vertical seams must be prepared using AccuCaulk and AccuFabric. For horizontal and vertical seams, first apply a 6-inch wide coat of AccuCaulk. Second, apply a 4-inch wide piece of AccuFabric. And third, apply a second coat of AccuCaulk onto the wet AccuFabric 1 inch past the AccuFabric. Once the surface has been cleaned, repaired, and seams secured and sealed, the roof is now ready for the application of AccuShield. As with all Energy Seal coatings, thoroughly mix each bucket to ensure consistency. An airless sprayer pump should be used to transfer the AccuShield to a handheld spray gun. The AccuShield can be pumped from 5-gallon buckets, or in this example, several buckets are poured into a large drum and pumped to the roof. Apply the AccuShield with an airless sprayer using a multi-pass spray technique to ensure even application. Use a wet film gauge frequently to measure film thickness. The wet film thickness should be twice as thick as the desired dry film thickness. The first coat is to be applied at a rate of 1.25 gallons per 100 square feet. Wet film thickness should be a minimum of 20 wet mils. Apply the second coat of AccuShield parallel to the ribs at a rate of 1.25 gallons per 100 square feet. Wet film thickness should be a minimum of 20 wet mils. Each coat should be allowed to cure for 24 to 48 hours depending on humidity and temperature. For more information, contact Advanced Coating Systems at 1-800-587-3758 or go to EnergySeal.com. That's energy-seal.com.